Oh. Understandable.
Naughty, naughty. Bad
Oh?
girl.
I've been a good girl. My hotkeys are brilliant. Why am I?
I'm so sorry. I don't know.
Oh, everything's fixed now. Now I will play. I will play again.
Yeah.
I must play. Okay, wait. Oh, fuck.
Oh, hell.
Ah, yeah, fuck. Hey!
Boy.
I need to get my cock out.
My cock! Sorry.
Wow. It's on my head. Why is it? You call it on my head.
We can fix it. Don't grab my cock and twist it. There's nothing about that. That's from Home Depot. It has nothing to do with an actual appendage of flesh. It's not a meat one.
It's not a meat one.
Everything's fine. Oh! There we go. Oh, ooh. That's not what I wanted.
Oh, you know, as you move
let's
it.
put the penis in. Oh.
Goodness, this troubling dickle. This troubling dickle. This
Dickle.
so happens to be on all of the faces, apparently. Jeez.
My favorite. Where'd you go?
Oh, I'm here. I'm good.
I'm okay with it being in my face. I don't mind it at all.
Understandable. That's fair. My goodness, if you keep doing that, you tickle my nose.
Welcome to the cum zone.
No sneeze.